going to make mashed potato for my husband. The ingredients are boiled potatoes, the milk, butter, we put also vegetable, whatever you want. For this, I'm going to put spinach. Okay, we begin. I boiled the potatoes for 30 minutes in the water with salted butter. So now we're going to mash it. This is around 4 potatoes. And now I'm going to put butter. This is unsalted. After boiling, it's good to directly make it to mashed potato while the potato is still warm. As you can see, we can add more water. You can see the consistency. But as we put the milk, then you can know how much you need. There's no exact measurement for this. It's up to you. You can see it if you need more butter or not. And for the milk, that's what you need to be careful about. You must not put too much, only just enough for to make the potatoes creamy. Only a little bit. And now I'm going to put nutmeg, little bit also. So now we can put the spinach or whatever vegetables you want to put in your mashed potato. can also use kale and other leafy vegetables that you can cook first and boil before you add to the mashed potato. Can also put a little bit of pepper. This is good to eat with the fish and also meat. And now I'm going to transfer it. And later we'll warm up. So now our mashed potato is ready. Thanks for watching.